The Admiralty Information Overlay AIO is installed in the eGlobe G2 ECDIS by installing the cell GB800001 included in the permit.txt file and then the AIO data. Select Chart Loader from the menu. Then select Chart Settings. In the Chart Settings window, tick the Admiralty Information Overlay option. Please note, the AIO checkbox remains disabled as long as no other product in this list, for instance ENC, has been activated. To install the AIO permits, select Chart Loader on the menu. In the Chart Loading window, select Scan Drives. The ECDIS will automatically scan for the permits to be installed. The permit file will have been automatically detected and the ENC S63 permit box ticked. If not, tick the ENC S63 permit box on the screen. Please note, to only install ENC S63 permits, untick the already ticked ENC S63 data box, as well as any other permits, data, or product boxes, for instance ARCS, or the ECDIS will scan both permits and data, resulting in unwanted error messages in the last report provided. Click OK to continue the installation. As the installation of the permit file is very quick, check the Process window, where a message will confirm that the S63 installation is done. The status indicator will show the interim results of the installation if the system detected any errors. The indicator will change to yellow if any errors are detected during data import. Should any critical errors be detected, the indicator will change to red and the affected data will not be imported. All messages and actions are recorded in the report file. This can be accessed, if required, via the Last Report button. The eGlobe G2 ECDIS also gives users the option of downloading their data directly from the ChartWorld FTP server. The eGlobe G2 ECDIS is delivered customized with pre-configurations, allowing users to use this FTP server. This needs to be organized directly with the ECDIS manufacturer. Once the updates are installed, these changes need to be applied to the eGlobe G2 ECDIS. Click on Apply Changes in the Synchronization box. The system will display a progress bar plus related messages when applying the changes. When the changes have been applied, a message will be displayed in the Process window to confirm the S63 installation is done. Once installed, the AIO permits will appear within the permit list in the chart inventory. Please note, to review all updates applied to a chart, select Chart Loader from the menu. Then select Chart Inventory. Highlight and press down on the chart to be viewed. Then select Review Updates from the drop-down menu.